Georges Seurat grew up in Paris, France. As a child, he really focused on practicing art, making him a talented artist by the time he was an adult. Seurat began to explore the science of color. He found that instead of mixing the colors, he could place tiny dots of different colors next to each other on the canvas, and the eye would mix the colors at a distance. Today, we call this art technique pointillism. In 1884, Seurat began working on a Sunday afternoon on the island of Grand Jatte. He used pointillism to paint this. When it was finished, it was almost 7 feet tall and 11 feet wide. That's about double the size of the smartboard you're watching this on. Because of the detail and the use of tiny dots, this painting took 2 years to finish. He kept the painting a secret, not wanting anyone to know what he was doing. When Seurat finally exhibited the painting in 1886, people were amazed. Some loved this way of painting. Others didn't like it as much. But either way, this painting made Georges Seurat a famous artist. We're going to start by practicing our pointillism. If you're in class, I have these already all printed out for you. If you aren't, you can either print it at home or you can copy it. Just make sure that you have a circle plus a circle equals another circle, 3 separate times. So we're going to start by filling in the blanks here. Red plus yellow equals orange. Red plus blue equals purple. And blue plus yellow equals green. Now remember, Seurat mixed colors by placing tiny dots next to each other instead of just mixing them together. So we'll only be using our primary colors for this: red, blue, and yellow. Then we'll start filling in the circles with the dots. Right now I'm filling in the red with red dots only. I put my pointer finger on top of my marker. This kind of forces my hand to hold my marker straight up and down. When you're making the dots, do not press super hard. If you press really hard, you're going to ruin your marker, and that also won't allow you to make those tiny dots. We want these dots to be pretty small, so then our eyes mix the colors together from a distance. So take your time filling in all of these circles. Keep in mind that pointillism takes a lot of patience. Seurat's painting took him 2 full years to complete, and he worked on it morning and night. So we need to really take our time and make all of our dots. Once I have my red and yellow all filled in, I'm going to make the dots red and yellow inside of the orange one. When you hold this far away, your eyes are going to be tricked into seeing that as orange, even though we didn't mix these colors together. So today we're just going to focus on practicing our pointillism. Really take your time filling in all of these circles. The more you overlap your circles with dots, the better it's going to turn out.